Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create an Amazon wish list and share it. Let's get started. First thing, make sure you go to your home page on Amazon and go here to account and lists. Make sure you click on here, create a list. It's going to take you to this page and click again on here, create a list. Here you can name the wish list that you wanna make. For example, if it's for a specific holiday, for example Christmas or something, you can just name it right here. So every time you wanna put like an item in the list, you can see the name of each list that you have created, so you don't really put items in random lists. Click on create. Now I'm gonna show you how to add some items to the list that you have created. You can just, for example, you want to add this one, you're just gonna need to scroll down, then click on add to list. Make sure you click here, then click on the list that you want to add the item to. Here it's already added, as you can see. You can do the same with other items. You can just scroll down and again click here. Again, click on the list that you want to add the item to. Now I'm gonna show you how you can share a list that you have created. Go again here. Go again to account and lists and click. Here you're gonna find the list that you wanna share. Click on it and go here. Click on these three dots and click on manage list. As you can see here, it's private. You can choose if you want it to be shared or public. If it's shared, only people that you share the link of this list to can get access to it. But if it's public, anyone can actually see it. So you can just, pick which one you would like. And once you finish, click on save changes. And that's it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. If you think this video was helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.